Bonjour and welcome to Learn French with Nat. So, are you looking to learn the months of the year in French or maybe to practice them a little bit? Then stick around because I'll go over the months of the year with you, go over some pronunciation, and go over one of the months that's particularly tricky because it has 4 different pronunciations depending on where you live. So stick around and we'll go into it, okay? Salut and welcome to Learn French with Nat. I'm Nat, your French teacher, and I'm here to teach you some French. So, if you're looking to learn some French, practice the pronunciation, expand your vocabulary, then be sure to subscribe because I post videos twice a week. So hit that subscribe button or ring that bell to get notified for any new videos coming out. All right, let's get into the lesson. So quick tip before we get started. The months of the year in French are not capitalized like they are in English. The first letter is always a lowercase unless, of course, it's at the beginning of a sentence, okay? So just remember that when you're writing down the months. Okay, so I'll go over them at a regular pace and then we'll go over them a second time and you can repeat after me, okay? So just listen to me the first time, okay? Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, décembre. Okay? All right. So I'll say it again more slowly and then you guys can repeat after me. Okay? You ready? So let's start with the cold one. Janvier. 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 Okay? À ton tour, you try. Okay. Perfect. Okay? Next one. Février. 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 Okay? Vas-y. Bien. Okay? A short one. Mars. Mars. Okay? Vas-y. Good. Okay, prochain. Avril. 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 Ok, vas-y. Très bien. Okay. The next one, which happens to be my birthday month. The next one, okay. Mai. Mai. Ok, vas-y. Très bien. Ok. Le prochain. Juin. 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 Okay. It's a bit tough. Essaye, vas-y. Bien. Juin. Okay? Good. Keep practicing, okay? Next one. Juillet. 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 Okay? Vas-y. Bien. Okay, so the next one is the tricky one I was talking about. It's the month of August. Depending on where you live, in France or in Quebec or wherever around the world that speaks French, there's actually I've heard 4 ways of saying this month, okay? So the way I say it, which is the one I've always learned in school, is août. Just août, okay? I know the Parisian area in France also says août. I think the southern part, you may correct me if I'm wrong, the southern part of France says août. So instead of saying août, you add a T at the end, so you would say août. Août, okay? I've also heard people say août. So instead of making the A at the beginning silent, they actually pronounce it. So they say août. Août. And the last one is août. Okay? So I think the most common ones that I would focus on would be either août or août. I think those are the most common and most commonly accepted ones in the literature. So I would focus on those. But depending on where you're traveling or where you're living, really listen to what the locals are saying and really emulate what they're saying. If you want to fit in, don't decide to use your own. Try to fit in with them. So make sure you listen to that, okay? So let's just practice the simple one, which is the shortest one, which is the one I say. And that's août, okay? Go ahead. Bien, okay? So the next one is septembre. 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 Ok? Vas-y. Bien. Très bien. Excuse me, I have a frog in my throat. OK. Après septembre, c'est octobre. 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 OK? Vas-y. Bien. Très bien. Le prochain, novembre. 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 OK? Vas-y. Très bien. Et le dernier, the last one is décembre. 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 OK? Vas-y, à ton tour. Très bien. T'as réussi. Très, très bien. OK? Donc, la question de la journée. I want to know, if you've been traveling somewhere where they speak French, or if you've moved somewhere that speaks French, how do they say August in French? Honestly, I'm dying to know. Do they say août, 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 août? Let me know, and let me know where this is, because I'm just really curious, because I think it's really interesting how we say it all differently. Okay? Now, I have free show notes for you to download, so don't forget to check those out in the show notes below, and be sure to subscribe. All right? I'll see you in the next video. Merci les amis!